looks absolutely better than what it was, like this kind of thing, like before and after.
My gypsy girl, something to myself. She wants water. Keep me money on my place. She looking at my eye order. He wants water.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. So this video, you guys, I will be showing you bits and pieces of how I made this unit, and yeah, sort of so you guys can see what the hair looked like in its natural state. So I received 3 bundles of hair from Vanlov Hair Company. I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below, so you guys can go and check out the website. If you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this unit and how I styled this unit, please do continue watching, and make sure you guys have also subscribed if you haven't subscribed yet. Also make sure you turn on your notification button so that you know when I upload videos. So yeah, stay tuned for the tutorial.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. fit. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Hi guys, so just before I continue, I just wanted to show you guys why I'm curling the hair, because after I finished making my wig, the way the curls or the waves, the body wave just sort of disappeared. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, I haven't washed it or anything like that, so you see what I'm talking about. This is exactly what the hair looks like after I finished installing it. Didn't do nothing to it. I have not washed it, but the body wave is just like disappeared, like it's gone. Okay, so you can tell the difference here using the curling wand, and you can tell the difference. This is like the body wave. I'm sure it is because they've processed the hair. Okay, so this is not just a do the wig and go. You wanna make the wig and actually style it, otherwise you're gonna look like a hot mess. Okay, I actually feel like straightening it like this will be so much easier because it's already straight. Okay,
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is
mind you guys, this takes forever. I think it's easier done on the mannequin head. Like, it's way easier than doing it this way. Okay, that way you actually see what you're doing and saves you a lot of time. Okay, oopsie, keep burning myself. You guys do want me to do like some natural hair tutorials, and if yes, what kind of tutorials would you like to see from me? Because I feel like videos on natural hair tutorials, crochet braids, braidless crochet braids, braids, normal braids, African threading, I feel like I'm just like, you know, going through that phase where I think like I've just done enough natural hair tutorials. I feel like I'm getting bored, and I feel like you guys too are getting bored, because if I upload a natural hair tutorial, the views are just, you know, sort of okay. So I feel like, what do you guys want to see from me? Do you still want me to keep doing the tutorials, or you want me to experiment and try other things like clothes hauls or try on haul or something like that? You know what I'm saying? Let me know, guys, your thoughts about natural hair. And this is something that I don't have patience for, guys, but for the video I'm just gonna do it, you know, so that you guys can see what the hair looks like. Hopefully it will look nice. It will look nice in the end. Okay, I don't want to bore you by talking, because yeah, it looks absolutely better than what it was, like this kind of thing, like before and after. This looks a bit more like body wave than this stringy, I don't know. Oh guys, I'm literally tired by now. Okay, just gonna go ahead and use my wrapping mousse on my parting, if there's a parting. Is there a parting at all? Can you see that, guys? That hair looks absolutely amazing. It's full of life now. Like, seriously, what was all that? That was a big mess. If I leave the unit like this, looks a bit wiggy. Okay, I need my gel. I absolutely love this hair, guys. Like, it did take the heat so well. Like, you can see that. Like, I didn't even keep the curling wand for long to achieve these gorgeous waves. You know, it was absolutely effortless. Yeah, so you might bear in mind when you do purchase this hair, you make your wig, you will need to style it, otherwise you'll be surprised. Okay.
I saw this pretty girl from afar. She looked so bright like a star. So we walk up to her, say,
So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please, guys, let me know your thoughts or your comments and your thoughts in the description box down below. And like I said, you guys, let me know if you think I should color this unit or not, or I should leave it in its natural state. I absolutely love the ombre that is going on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.